It's true. You got to be careful and you have to be cautious, or simply understand what reaction states are when you are part of a group and you put information up on that group page and then the administrator chooses to get rid of it. That's a librarian, because you don't want to impose your will on somebody. Remember, that's their page, that's their group, right? So if they want to self censor you because they don't want that information up there, all that means they don't want to experience that data. That's all that means. Okay, so I'm a cosmic level library. I share everything, which means everything that I've experienced by virtue of what I share goes up. You don't want to experience that? That's your right to do that. See ya. Okay, and the same applies to all of us. Remember, now I'm back to when I was a child. Turn the channel. If the holographic information, which is based on the data, you don't want to experience it and record it into your memory, you don't have to, any more than I do, any more than you do. We all do. And this has everything to do with speed transmissions, or if you will, electronic data. But I'm a feeling person. It's what it feels like. All right. And so yeah, and it has everything to do with resistance. Resistance does have a resistance to data, right? You got to know that the first recorder is not afraid of nothing. The first librarian is not afraid to experience anybody's library. That's a cosmic level library that's conscious and aware of itself. Okay, that's what happens when you light yourself on fire. You got a mountain of stuff to share, which is based on what little children can learn from, right? But you want to be respectful and loving and kind and compassionate and respectful, considerate of others. Because you realize if they're using their consciousness to experience what you put up, right now their consciousness is running with those mathematical operators are represented by holographically. This is why I've said this many times. The internet is both your friend and your enemy. Right? I prefer to go jump on a bicycle and go visit somebody next door and say, how you doing? I dive soul to soul. Right? Hey, a smiley face this morning. Your energy feels good. Let's go down to the beach. Let's go watch some whales and go play with the whales. Stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, the online community is an off-road course. It's just like navigating another consciousness field, but using a weaponized platform in which to do it. So you just got to be cautious and respectful and kind and loving. So yeah, there's resistance to data as much as there is a resistance to experience zero. But it's all good, huh? Have a beautiful evening. Bye now.